In this video, I will be showing you how to use Monday.com for marketing. So first, you just have to go to your Monday.com account. And of course, to start a project or a campaign, all you have to do is just simply tap this plus icon on the left side near the search box here. Okay, the plus icon. You just have to tap that one and you can create a new project for your campaign. So create a board game, social marketing. Okay, so this is just an example. You can create your own. Okay, privacy main, private, shareable, select what you're managing in this board. So for me, I want to tap task since I will be giving tasks to my members and then click create board. Okay, so once you're done with that, you are now in your social marketing plan. Okay, so we have here group title. Okay, we have your status, we have your date, also we have your person. But actually, if you don't like the layout or template, you can simply tap this plus icon again and then click choose a template. And here you have lots of templates to choose. For marketing, you can tap this one and you can see here lots of options for your marketing plan. And we have here email marketing. Actually, the layout is already there. All you have to do is to tap this one. And you just have to follow everything or edit everything here. Now, if you can't find what you're looking for, you can also search that marketing above and you can see here another options or same option, same layout. So to start, you just have to tap, for example, marketing activities. And the good thing about this money.com, you can integrate with any of this social media platform here or tools here. We have here Zoom, Google Drive, and so on. Okay, so if you tap any of this and you're done, then click use template. Okay, so wait as it is processing. So now you're creating template using monday.com and this is what it looks like. So we have here marketing activities, but if you want to be specific, you can edit the title. Okay, so if you want to focus on Facebook marketing, you can edit that or Instagram or TikTok. Okay, so we have here item. Actually, you can consider it as tasking, something like that. We have here campaign owner, platform, publication date, writer, and so on. We have here other layouts like aside from main table, we have here calendar view, okay, forms, and actually you can add columns here. Okay, board views, task views, table views, and so on. Okay, so you can also add files if you want. Okay, so but let's focus on main table. Tap this one. Okay, so if you want to change everything here, you just have to tap this, click delete, and you can add or type any of your item here or let's just say your task here. And then you can easily um, go to this campaign owner to assign this task. Let's just say this one is for Ellie. Okay. And this one is for Justin, and this one is for Andrew. And then you can start a conversation like this is just a note or instruction like start today, start tomorrow, start next week. This should be done today, this should be done tomorrow, and so on. And also, you can edit this. As you can see, we have your options above like bold, italic. You can even change the style or font if you want. Okay, you can add files, you can click this activity log, okay, and so on. Actually, you can just explore here. Everything is up to you. Okay, so once done, you can go back and platform. Okay, you can choose Facebook, Instagram. So let's just focus on Facebook for publication date. Yeah, let's just say this person should finish it today. Writer, it could be the same person or another person. Okay, this one, you can change the color or you can change the label. Okay, everything is up to you. If you want to change the label, you can just simply tap or change the color. Tap this one, change the label. Okay. And then for designer, you can add another person again, design status, campaign, and so on. Okay, if you can see option below, you can just simply add another task here or project here. For example, next week we will be doing again a Facebook marketing campaign version 2. Okay. So you just have to type everything here and do the same thing. Okay, add task or item, publication date, start conversation, assign it to a person, and then the status, and so on. So that's how easy it is. I mean, it's already given here. All you have to do is to edit, add, edit, add. That's the good thing about Monday.com. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.